on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off.
I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm right now in New York, and when I was packing my luggage, I was like, wow, I want to take only one pair of shoes that can combine with any outfit that I have. And then it was like a sudden bing, and I was, oh my god, I can make a sandals and you can change the straps to the color that you want, and it combines with everything. It's like perfect. And well guys, I don't know, I'm like super excited, because imagine walking down the street and someone goes like, girl, those shoes are super cute. You're like, I made them from scratch. It will be like, no way. I think I'm too excited for this DIY. I think this DIY was one of my favorites. Get excited guys, because this is happening right now. Materials. You will need paper, sandals your size, leather scissors, paper scissors, pen, master contact cement, Dremel, plastic hammer, leather string, leather, sole sheets, ruler, and fabric. Let's start. The first thing that you're going to do is get a paper and get your sandal and trace it.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
When you're finished tracing it, you're going to cut it. Then you're going to write right, turn it around, and right, left. Get your leather. For this step, we're going to use the back of the leather, not the front, the back, that it has like little hairs. Then we're going to trace our pattern. Then we're going to cut it. Now we're going to get our sole. Turn it around. We're going to trace our patterns. Then turn it around and trace it again. Now we're going to cut it. Or you can get the sole and top part from an old shoe. Get your old shoes. Make sure that the straps are coming from the side of the sole, like this sandal. Then you're going to see this line, an X-Acto knife, and then you're going to start carefully cutting until you can get the both straps out. Then you will have a top part and a sole. Now let's continue. Get your leather strings and your ruler. Measure 4 inches long and mark it with a pen. Then continue doing the same until you have 6 for shoe. That would be 12 in total. Then when you're finished, cut it. Now we're going to mark 1/2 inch seam allowance in every edge of your strings. Get your sandal and your top part. Turn it around where the little hairs are, and now we're going to start marking where the straps of our original shoes are. Then we're going to measure how thick it is. Mine was 1 inch and 1/4. Here I'm going to go right in the middle of these straps, and then I'm going to measure that it can measure the same than the first that I marked. I'm going to eyeball it here and mark it where I think that is the middle of this curve, and I'm going to measure it so it can measure the same that the first that I marked and the second that I marked. Now I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. The only difference is that I can actually measure the middle so it can be in the precise middle. I don't have to eyeball it like we did in the curve. Now get your other top part of the shoe. Put it like this. Both are on the back. Start making all the same marks that we did on the other one. Now all our straps will go like this. Get your glue. Now turn them around and start putting the glue. I put 2 layers in both of them, in the top part and in the sole. Now using the marks that we did, we're going to put it exactly on the edge, the line that we marked in every strap, like this. When we are done putting all the strings where they're meant to go, we're going to put the second layer of glue like this. And now let's glue it together. Now get your hammer and start hammering your shoe like this so all the bubbles can get out so it can glue even better. Now get your Dremel and start passing it on the edge, but be very careful with the strings. Try not to touch it so they won't get ruined. Like this. And now the hard part is over. How to measure how many yards you will need for your straps. You will put your measuring tape like if it was a strap, and then you will see the exact inch that you would like to use for your shoes. DIY fabric strap. Get your fabric. Start marking 3 inches long until you reach 72 inches long. We will be using 2 yards of fabric for our straps. Then we're going to cut it and then do the same so you can have 2 straps. Now we're going to fold it and we're going to start pinning the edge. So a straight line where the red lines are, like this. Get this tool. This tool will help us reverse our strap. Now insert it into the straps. When you reach the other end, you're going to open it. You're going to put it on the edge of the strap, and then you're going to start turning it around like this. Now fold the edge of your strap like this and pin it. Now we're going to sew a straight line. Cut all the excess thread, and that's it, guys. We have a strap. Now put it on like this and look how amazing it looks. I am in love. DIY frayed strap. You're going to look for the frayed part of your fabric, and then you're going to start cutting it, and that's it. It's super easy and it has a super cool look. Or you can just get a cool ribbon like I did. I got this string pom-pom ribbon and it looks super cute, and that's it. You have super cute sandals that matches with everything that you want and perfect for the vacations and trips.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night.
Well, that is about it for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up, and comment down below. Follow my Snapchat and my Snapchat. See you later. So goodbye. Bye.